Hello, my friends! Today we're going to make an incredibly delicious salmon pie with puff pastry. This pie turns out so juicy, creamy, and flavorful. And honestly, every time I make it, it disappears so fast. It may look fancy, but it's actually very easy to make. So let's start cooking together. For this recipe, we'll need 3 sheets of store-bought puff pastry. And now let's prepare the salmon. I'm using about 4 salmon fillets. You want to remove the skin and make sure there are no bones left in the fish. You can use fresh salmon or thawed frozen salmon. Both work very well for this recipe. Now, take any baking dish you have at home, round or square, whatever is easier for you. I personally like using a square baking dish because it's easier to cut nice pieces afterward. Now, we'll place 2 sheets of puff pastry into the baking dish. I'm not rolling the dough out. I just place it directly into the pan and gently press it into the corners and sides. Then, seal the edges together like this. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect right now. Once everything bakes, the pie becomes beautiful and golden. Now let's place the salmon fillets on top of the pastry. Try to spread them evenly so every slice of pie has a nice amount of fish inside. And now let's prepare the filling that goes on top. We need about 4 to 5 potatoes sliced very thinly. Thin slices are important so the potatoes cook perfectly inside the pie. Then, slice 1 medium onion. Also, chop some green onions. And now, add a large bunch of spinach. It may look like a lot of spinach at first, but once it cooks down, it becomes perfect. Now season everything with salt, black pepper, dried dill, and garlic powder. Then, pour in 1 cup of heavy cream. And now mix everything together really well. This filling becomes so creamy and flavorful while baking. Next, take some butter and slice it into thin pieces. And now we'll season the salmon. Add salt and pepper. I also really recommend using white pepper for fish recipes. It has a softer flavor and works beautifully with salmon. Place the butter all over the salmon. This step makes the pie extra juicy and rich. Now we can spread the filling evenly over the salmon. Try to distribute everything across the whole pie so every bite has potatoes, spinach, onions, and salmon together. This combination is honestly amazing. The salmon stays juicy, the potatoes become soft and creamy, and the puff pastry turns golden and crispy. Now, take the third sheet of puff pastry and place it on top. Then, start sealing the edges together. You can do it however you like. I usually just press the edges together with my fingers like this. Again, don't stress about making it look perfect. Homemade food should feel cozy and real. Now, we need to make a couple of cuts on top of the pie. This helps the steam escape while baking. Just 2 small cuts like this are enough. Now, let's prepare the egg wash. Take 2 egg yolks and add a little bit of water. The water helps thin the yolks slightly, so it's easier to brush across the whole pie. Now brush the top generously. This is what gives the pie that beautiful, deep golden color after baking. And now it's ready for the oven. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1.5 hours. Your kitchen is going to smell absolutely amazing. And here is the final result. Look at this beautiful golden crust.